Hello friends, welcome in today's lecture. In the last lecture, we started the point event listener interfaces. In that, we saw first action listener, second item listener interface, and third key listener interface. Now, in this lecture, we will study about what is the mouse listener interface, what is mouse motion listener interface, and what is the text listener interface. First, see what is the mouse listener interface. The mouse listener interface is found in the java.awt.event package. Means the java.awt.event package is used for the mouse motion listener interface. This interface having the 5 methods. First one mouse clicked, second mouse entered, third mouse exited, fourth mouse pressed, and fifth mouse released. So total 5 methods is there in the mouse listener interface. The interface mouse listener interface defines the 5 important methods. These are the 5 important methods for the various activities such as the mouse click, mouse press, mouse released, mouse entered or mouse exited. If the mouse is pressed and released at the same point, then mouse clicked is invoked. Means the mouse clicked method is invoked when the mouse is pressed and released at the same point. When a mouse enters a component, the mouse entered method is called. Suppose your mouse is entered into the window, that time the mouse entered method is called, and when it leaves, that time mouse exited method is invoked. The mouse pressed and mouse released method is invoked when the mouse is pressed and released respectively. Means when you press the mouse button, that time the mouse pressed method is invoked, and when you release the mouse button, that time mouse released method is invoked. So in the mouse listener interface, there are 5 important methods. These methods are used into the program. Now see one example of the mouse listener interface. See here, this is an example of the mouse listener interface. First import the 2 packages, import java.awt.star and import java.awt.event. After that, create a class mouse listener example extends frame implements mouse listener. Here we use the methods mouse clicked, mouse entered, mouse exited, mouse pressed, mouse released. So that's why here we use the interface, that is mouse listener interface. So these methods mouse clicked, mouse entered, mouse exited, mouse pressed, mouse released, these methods present in the mouse listener interface. After that, here create an object of the label L. Then create a constructor of the class, that is mouse listener example. In that we call the method add mouse listener. This point to the current object. After that we create a label L is equal to new label, and using the setBound method set the position of the label. After that add this label into the frame window. Then set size, set layout method is used to set the size of the frame window and set the layout of the frame window. Set visible method is used for the visible the frame window. Then here we use the method mouse clicked. The parameter is mouse event E. Then L.setText mouse clicked means when you click the mouse on a particular window, that time the mouse clicked event is occurred and the mouse clicked method is invoked. Same when mouse entered into the window, that time mouse entered method is invoked. And in that using the label is displayed mouse entered by using the method setText. SetText method is used to set the text. Then public void mouse exited. When your mouse exit from the window, that time the mouse exited method is called. Then mouse pressed. When you press mouse button is pressed on a window, that time the mouse pressed method is invoked. L.setText mouse pressed. When this method is invoked, that time using the setText the label is displayed mouse pressed. Then mouse released method. When you release the mouse from the particular window, that time the mouse released method is invoked. L.setText mouse released. Then in the main method, create an object of the class new mouse listener example. After that, save the code mouse listener example.java. Then run the code. Open the command prompt. First compile the code. Java C program name mouse listener example.java. It is successfully compiled. Then run the code. Java program name mouse listener example. See here, this is the output of our program. See here, when your mouse is entered into the particular frame window, that time the label is displayed mouse entered. When mouse is out of the frame window, that time the label is displayed mouse exited. Then when you click on a window, that time the method invoked is mouse clicked. This method is invoked. And when you continuously press the mouse button, that time the mouse pressed method is invoked. So this is the sample program of the mouse listener example. Next, see. See, the next listener interface is the mouse motion listener interface. The mouse motion listener interface is found in the package java.awt.event package. And this interface is used for handling the mouse drag and mouse move event. Means the mouse motion listener interface is mainly used for the handling the mouse drag and mouse move events. The required method are defined by the syntax is void mouse dragged mouse event e and void mouse moved mouse event e. These two are the methods of the mouse motion listener interface. The mouse dragged method is called multiple times as the mouse is dragged. Means when you drag the mouse, that time the mouse dragged method is called. And the mouse move method is called multiple times as the mouse is moved. Means when you move the mouse on the screen, that time the mouse move method is continuously called. Now see one example of the mouse motion listener interface. See here, this is the example of the mouse motion listener interface. First import the two packages, import java.awt.star and import java.awt.event. After that, create a class mouse motion listener example, extends frame, implements mouse motion listener. Then create a constructor mouse motion listener example. In that, use the method add mouse motion listener this. Here we use the set size method to set the size of the frame window. Set layout method is used to set the layout of the frame window, and set visible method is used to set the visibility of the frame window. The value is true, means the frame window is visible. After that, here use the method public void mouse dragged mouse event e. The mouse dragged and mouse moved, these two are the methods of the mouse motion listener interface. In that graphics G is equal to get graphics G dot set color dot blue and G dot fill oval. In that E dot get X coordinator and E dot get Y coordinator 2020. Here we use the graphics because you drag the mouse onto the frame window. So using the graphics you can paint the any picture onto the frame window. That's why here use the graphics, and using the set color you can set the color of the brush. Then public void mouse moved mouse event E. This method is invoked when your mouse is moved into the frame window. That time the mouse moved method is invoked. And in the public static void main method, we create a class new mouse motion listener example. Then save the code mouse motion listener example .java. After that run the code. First compile the code Java C program name mouse motion listener example.java. It is successfully compiled. Then run the code Java C program name mouse motion listener example. See here, this is the example output of our program mouse motion listener interface. In that we drag the mouse, so the mouse dragged method is invoked, and using the graphics you paint the any picture in the frame window. This is the sample example of the mouse motion listener interface. Next see next is the text listener interface. The text listener interface is found in the java.awt.event package. An event of a type text event is generated when a value of in the text field or text area is entered or edited. Means the text event is generated when a value in the text field or the text area is entered or edited. Means any value in the text area is entered or edited, that time the text event method is generated. The method used by the text listener interface is the void text value changed. The text listener interface having one method, that is void text value changed in bracket text event te. So mainly text listener interface is used for the value in the text field or the text area is entered or edited, that time the text listener interface is generated. So any text event related methods are present in the text listener interface. See the one example of the text listener interface. See here, this is the example of the text listener interface. First import the two packages, import java.awt.star and import java.awt.event. After that create a class text listener example extends frame implements text listener. Here we use the method text value changer. For that the text listener interface is used. Then create an object of the text field tf1 and tf2. Then create a constructor public text listener example. In that using the layout method, set layout method, we can set the layout of the frame window. Here we use the flow layout. Then create a text field 1 and text field 2. tf1 is equal to new text field 15. 15 is the total character in the text field. TF2 is equal to new text field 15. After that, using the add method, we add the text field into the frame window. Same for the text field 2. Then here use the set editable method. Set editable method is used for provide authority to edit the text or not. Here we use the value, pass the value false, means text field 2 is not editable, because here we pass the value false. If it is true, then text field 2 is editable. So set editable method is used to provide the authority to edit the text field or not. And the set editable having the boolean value, it is in a true or false. True means the particular text field is editable, and false means the text field is not editable. After that, here we use the add text listener method. TF1 dot add text listener this. Then public void text value changed text event e. In that, TF2 dot set text TF1 dot get text method. Get text method is used to get the text in the text field 1. This method it returns the text field 1 message and set to the text field 2. Means whatever you type in the text field 1, that is automatically copied into the text field 2 because of this statement. TF2 dot set text TF1 dot get text means text field 1 message is set to the text field 2. In the main method, create an object of the class text listener example T1 is equal to new text listener example. Then set title method is used here to set the title of the frame window. Set size method is used to set the size of the frame window. And set visible method is used to visible the frame window. Then save the program text listener example.java. Then run the code. First compile the program Java C, program name text listener example.java. It is successfully compiled. Then run the code Java, program name text listener example. See here, this is the output of our program text listener interface. This is the text field 1 and this is the text field 2. When you type in the text field 1, then it is automatically copied in the text field 2. But text field 2 is not editable because here we use the method set editable and pass the value false. False means the text field 2 is not editable. And TF2.setText, TF1.getText, using this method, the text field 1 is automatically copied into the text field 2. This is the sample program of the text listener interface.